Ginger is known for its beneficial effects on digestive health. Consuming ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. This stimulation aids in reducing bloating and discomfort. Ginger improves the absorption of essential nutrients in the digestive system. Regular consumption of ginger tea can alleviate indigestion and foster a healthy gut environment. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body. It also inhibits inflammatory pathways, which can alleviate joint pain. The antioxidant properties of curcumin may contribute to slowing the aging process. Ginger and turmeric can both enhance the immune system. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help combat infections. Turmeric enhances immune cell function, further strengthening the body's defenses. Including both ginger and turmeric in the diet can improve overall immunity against illness.